Hi everyone, it's Denise from Denise Rich's Art and Design. We're going to be using this pumpkin. We'll be undressing it and we're going to redress it with the more up-to-date neutral sweater. Just needed to cut everything off and remove the stem. The sweater is going to be a little bit bulky at the top, so I needed to make the hole bigger in order to push the sweater down in there, and there's sand inside. So we're going to get rid of that, and we'll be using beans to weight it down a little bit later. Trying to get an idea of the size that I need to trim the sweater to, and I'll be using the front only. So now I'll refill it with beans and cutting the corners away to get rid of some of the bulk. Just pulling in a few pieces, hot gluing them in there, and then just repeating the process all the way around. It's tucked in there pretty tight, so it kind of stays on its own, but the glue definitely helps. Just grabbed a stick from the yard and cut it down. Did a little sanding to try to get off all the loose bark. Push that down in there. And this is a fall pick from Hobby Lobby. 50% off, of course. This one pick provided embellishments for all 3 pumpkins and then some. I'm just gluing some jute on to accentuate the ridges. The fun part is embellishing. I'm just using the jute here to make a small kind of bow. It's more like a bow tie. I'm just going to secure it in the middle and then cut the loops. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.